हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम JVN Dr. Shahnawaz Alam, Assistant Professor of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of international economics. Today's topic is measure to correct deficit in balance of payment. When there is a deficit in balance of payment of a country, adjust is adjustment is about automatically through price and income changes or by adopting certain policy measure like export promotion, monetary and fiscal policy, devaluation and direct control. First, adjustment through exchange depreciation. Under the flexible exchange rate, the disequilibrium in balance of payment is automatically solved by force of demand and supply of foreign exchange. An exchange rate is the price of currency which is determined, like any other commodity, by demand and supply. The exchange rate vary with varying supply and demand conditions, but it is always possible to find an equilibrium exchange rate which clear from foreign exchange market and create external equilibrium. This is automatically achieved by depreciation of a country currency in case of deficit in balance of payment. Depreciation of a country currency means that its relative value is decreases. When exchange rate depreciation take place, foreign price are translated into domestic price. Next, devaluation or expenditure switching policy. Devaluation raised the domestic price of imports and reduced the foreign price of export of a country. Devaluating its currency in relation to the currency of other country. Devaluation is referred to an expenditure switching policy because it switches expenditure from imports to domestic goods and services. Next, direct control. To correct disequilibrium in balance of payment, government also adopt direct control which aim to limiting the volume of imports. The government restrict the imports of unfavorable or unimportant item by laying heavy import duty, fixation of quota, etc. Adjustment through capital movement. A country can capital imports to correct a deficit in its balance of payment. A deficit can be financed by capital inflow. When capital is perfectly mobile within the country, a small rise in the domestic rate of interest bring a large inflow of capital. The balance of payment is said to be in equilibrium when domestic interest rate equal to the world rate. If the domestic interest rate is higher than the world rate, there will be capital inflow and the balance of payment deficit is corrected. Adjustment through the income changes. Given the foreign exchange rate and price in the country, an increase in the value of export cause an increase in income of all persons associated with the export industries. These in turn create demand for other goods and services within the country. This will raise the income of, of person engaged in later industry and services. The process will continue and national income increase by the volume of multiplier. Stimulations of export and imports substitutes. A deficit in balance of payment can also corrected by encouraging export. And export can be encouraged by producing quality of products, by reducing export through increased productions and productivity, and by better marketing. They can also be increased by a policy of import substitutions. It means that the country produces those goods which it imports. In this beginning, imports are reduced, but in the long run, exports of such goods or commodity started. An increase in exports caused the national income to rise by many times through the operation of the foreign trade multiplier. The foreign trade multiplier expresses the change in income caused by change in exports. Ultimately, the deficit in balance of payment is removed when export rise faster than imports. Thank you.